ground covers are not only beautiful. These plants also help with weed control and keep erosion under control. Some flowering ground covers bloom only for a short time, but they leave a beautiful carpet of foliage behind. So, even outside the blooming season, these ground covers are the perfect addition to problematic gardens. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 most beautiful flowering ground cover plants for your backyard. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are 10 most beautiful flowering ground cover plants for your backyard. Number 1. Hardy Geraniums. Most hardy geraniums are ridiculously easy to grow. All they require is a moderately fertile, well-drained soil. A few species are even reliably drought-tolerant in normal summer conditions. Hardy geraniums forming low mounds of well-formed foliage and dainty flowers make superb flowering ground covers. Number 2. Creeping Thyme. Creeping thyme is a low-growing perennial that looks beautiful growing as ground cover for pavers or in a rock garden, and is an excellent choice as a substitute for long grass in dry areas. It grows in dense mats of foliage and pink flowers. This plant is very hardy and handles foot traffic and drought conditions easily. Number 3. Hosta. Hostas are a staple of shady, perennial gardens and are grown primarily for their lush foliage. When properly planted, they're fairly low-maintenance plants that make great ground cover. Hostas are also very easy to divide and spread, making them a cost-effective solution for large areas of your backyard. Number 4. Creeping Phlox. The creeping phlox's lovely floral cover looks beautiful on hills and uneven ground. If you have a rock garden, you can also use it to fill in the blank spaces. However, be aware that weeds and other plants may develop in the same area with the creeping phlox, potentially distracting from the overall aesthetic of the plant. Number 5. Delosperma. To cover a large swath of ground, plant Delosperma ice plants 15 to 18 inch apart. The plants will soon fill in the gaps. Plant by midsummer in cold climates to be sure the plants are well established before winter. Provide weekly water when getting them established, especially through the first summer. Number 6. Candytuft. Caring for it is easy, and the ornamental properties of this plant make it perfect as ground cover. Planting Candytuft is best done either in spring or fall. Remember to water regularly at the beginning, especially if you're planting in spring. A blend of garden soil and soil mix is ideal for planting. Number 7. Sweet Woodruff. Sweet Woodruff is a pretty little plant that makes a very attractive, finely textured ground cover for shade gardens. In late spring it is almost covered with clusters of tiny four-petaled, white flowers. But even after the flowers fade, the semi-glossy foliage looks great the rest of the season. The leaves are in a whorled arrangement on the fine, wiry stems and about 3 inch in diameter, comprised of about 6 to 8 narrow leaflets, spaced every few inches along the upright stems. Number 8. Bellflower. Bellflower ground cover plants can be used to landscape rock gardens in front or backyards. Bellflower is a superb spreading plant that quickly covers the ground. This beautiful perennial evergreen ground cover has mat-forming foliage and produces colorful bell-shaped blue or purple flowers throughout the summer. Number 9. Lamb's ear. Lamb's ear is an herbaceous perennial ground cover in the Lamiaceae family. Hailing from the Middle East and featuring thick, soft, velvety, silver-gray leaves that form a rapidly spreading ground cover. They are evergreen in warmer climates. In summer, tiny, purplish-pink flowers appear that are best removed to enhance the foliage. Number 10. Sweet Alyssum. Sweet Alyssum is a ground cover plant with tiny white, pink, cream, or purple flowers. It is classically found in coastal areas, but it will grow in most zones during the growing season. Technically a perennial, it is usually grown as an annual in most regions of the United States. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.